Hey guys, John Nesbitt here from the Customer Factory, and I want to give you a piece of advice. I'm going to give you $10,000 of free advice right now. Oh, look, this cat just came up and jumped at me. Hi, kitty. Okay, the advice is not about the cat. Okay, come outside. All kinds of things will happen. Anyway, the $10,000 worth of free advice is this: do not stop your marketing over a long weekend. We're about to go into the Labor Day weekend, and a lot of people think, oh, I'll just turn the marketing off for those 3 days. And I'll save myself some money, right? They said I'm going to save some money because no one's here to respond to stuff anyway, and what's the matter, right? Okay, here's what happens on Facebook and other algorithm-based marketers, which is basically Google as well. When you do that, you turn off your campaigns. It sort of resets them a little bit. They basically, when you turn them back on Tuesday, Google, Facebook, these companies have to basically reestablish what they've learned to make sure nothing's changed. The marketplace alters during the weekend, and you kind of lose your positioning, and you lose some of your algorithmic benefits out of doing that. Basically, the fast way to say it is, it'll cost you more to regain the same amount of marketing spend. It'll take you 4 more days next week. So say Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you'll find out your marketing wasn't working quite as well because you turned off over the weekend, and you kind of had to catch up and restart. The other part is you do disappear out of the market for that time period, giving your competitors a chance to jump in and grab some customers that you otherwise would have had. People still need you over the weekend, and they understand you're not there, so you don't have to be right there to respond to them instantly. So there's no really downside to keeping your marketing running over the weekend. You don't lose any money. You actually stand to lose money if you turn it off, because you have to restart the marketing and have to get that stuff going again. Plus you have a little gap in your marketing where people weren't coming in or seeing you. So I really strongly recommend that you keep your marketing running. By the way, this advice is not self-serving. We don't make a commission on how much ad spend gets made by you over the weekend for our clients, and I definitely don't get anything from Zuckerberg as commission for saying run ads. It's just the right thing to do technically, so that's why I'm giving you that advice. Okay, it is still of your choice. You want to save a few bucks, turn it off, but it will cost you more later on, and you'll just have to be kind of stopping from a standing stop on your marketing going forward next week. Either way, have a great long weekend. I hope you have a lot of fun. Work on your tan, and I will see you in the next video.